Hello dear students, welcome back to my channel. Students, today we solve class 4 mathematics practice sheet 6 for your annual exam 2025 mixed chapter important questions. So let us start the session. Take pen and paper and practice with me. First question number 1. Subtract 6 hours 35 minutes from 9 hours 15 minutes. So first of all we write 9 hour 15 minutes, then we write 6 hour 35 minutes. So subtract. So 5 here is 15. If we 15 from 15 can we subtract 35? No. That's why we carry 1 hour. So tell me 1 hour equal to dash minute, that is 60 minutes. Now we subtract from this, that is 35. So 5057 means 75 minus 35. So 5 minus 5 is 0, 7 minus 3 is 4 minutes. Now here is 8. So 8 minus 6 is 2 hours. So answer is 2 hours and 40 minutes. Next. What time will be 5 hours 23 minutes after 3:20? So first of all we write 3:30, then 5:23. So simply addition because here is after. So 3 to 5, 5 plus 3 is 8, means 8 hours 53 minutes. Okay, so now we can write 8 semicolon, colon, that is 53 minutes, PM. Answer. So required time equal to 8:53 PM. Now next, find the volume of the cuboid. So L equal to 10 meter, B equal to 7 meter, H equal to 3 meter less than breadth. 7 minus 3. Next, 4 meter. Now the volume equal to L into B into H. Now multiply 10 into 7 into 4, 280 cubic meter. All of you understand? Now next question number. Find the volume of the cube with age equal to 1/3 of 21. This is very important question. So given that age of cube equal to 1/3 of 21. 1/3 of means into 21. So 3 7 ja. So answer is 7 centimeter. Now we find the volume. So volume of cube, we know that age into age, that is 7 into 7 into 7, that is 343 cubic centimeter. Next, arrange the following question. So answer the following question. Half of the cubical box with age. So age is given. So write down age of cubical box equal to 8 centimeter. Now half of the cubical box is filled with sand, means the volume of sand equal to half means total. So half into volume, that is age into age into age. So 1/2 into 8 into 8 into 8. So 2 4 ja 8 8 ja 64 into 4. So 4 4 ja 16 25. So answer is 256 cubic centimeter. Now next, question number B. Mr. Kumar want to repair the floor of length 7 centimeter. So given that L equal to 7 centimeter, meter, B equal to 6 meter. If the cost of repairing per square meter is 120, means we find the area. So area of floor equal to length into breadth, 7 into 6, that is 42 meter square. Now we write cost of repairing 1 square meter equal to rupees 120. Now write down total cost of repairing 42 square meter equal to 120 into 42. Now multiply 420 0 2 284. So 405 504, that is 504 cubic rupees. Find the amount of the money needed to him repair the floor. So therefore write down the money is 504 rupees. Next, completed. In next video we solve practice sheet 7. If you are new in my channel, then you can subscribe my channel. Also click the bell icon. When I upload the video, then you can notify. I hope all of you practicing. So keep practicing. All the best for your annual exam and take care.